The Boulevard, designed by Archier in Victoria, Australia, is a home that challenges the traditional idea of a house on a suburban street. Rather than sitting prominently on the site, the 350 square meter residence is carefully embedded into a steep hillside overlooking the Yarra Flats parklands. From the street, much of the building almost disappears into the landscape, allowing the natural scenery to remain the focus. This approach was driven by the owner's desire to raise their 3 children in close connection with nature while still living within easy reach of the city. The result is a house that feels less like an object placed on the land and more like an extension of the landscape itself. The arrival sequence immediately reinforces this relationship between architecture and nature. Visitors enter from a rooftop parking area and descend through a landscaped pathway, accompanied by a stone water channel that guides the journey down the slope. As the vegetation gradually surrounds the path, the entrance hall reveals framed views of the gardens and parklands beyond. This carefully choreographed transition creates a sense of leaving the city behind and entering a quieter environment. Rather than presenting the home all at once, the design unfolds gradually, allowing the surrounding landscape to become an essential part of the experience. At the heart of the house is an open-plan living zone, organized around a kitchen with dual island benches. The kitchen flows naturally into the dining and living areas, creating a communal space designed for everyday family life. An internal courtyard introduces sunlight deep into the floor plan while establishing visual connections between different parts of the home. Rising through this courtyard is a mature gum tree that links the interior spaces to the roof garden above. Extensive operable glazing further strengthens the connection to the outdoors, allowing views, daylight, and fresh air to move freely throughout the house while making the relatively compact floor plan feel much larger than its actual footprint. The private areas of the home are arranged to support the changing needs of a growing family. A hallway leads from the entrance toward a separate wing containing the main bedroom, a rumpus room, and access to the children's bedrooms on the lower level. This vertical separation allows increasing independence as the children grow older while maintaining a strong sense of family connection. Unlike the buried portions of the house, this wing extends outward from the hillside beneath a distinctive gabled roof. The form references the simple silhouette of a house as imagined by a child, creating a playful contrast against the more restrained and earth-integrated architecture surrounding it. Material selection plays an important role in both the performance and character of the project. The structure is anchored into the hillside using concrete, providing stability and significant thermal mass that helps regulate indoor temperatures throughout the year. Natural slate cladding, thermally efficient timber-framed windows, unfinished American oak ceilings, earthen-rendered walls, and low VOC finishes contribute to a palette that feels durable, warm, and connected to its surroundings. These materials were chosen not only for their visual qualities, but also for their ability to reduce maintenance requirements and support the home's long-term sustainability goals. Passive heating, cross-ventilation, and energy-efficient building systems work together to minimize operational energy use while maintaining comfort across changing seasons. Perhaps the most memorable aspect of the Boulevard is the way the landscape becomes inseparable from the architecture. Native planting inspired by the adjacent parklands flows across the site, while extensive green roofs drape the building in vegetation and soften its presence within the hillside. Large glazed openings, courtyards, and sliding panels blur the boundary between indoor and outdoor spaces, ensuring that almost every room maintains a visual connection to nature. Rather than competing with its surroundings, the house embraces them, demonstrating how thoughtful design can transform a challenging site into a family home that evolves alongside both its occupants and the landscape that surrounds it.